ऊपर तो कोई मस्जिद नहीं है।
नहीं मालूम है क्या मारे पेन नहीं अभी तो पूरा वो हो गया वो गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू चले गया कहते नहीं करना बोल के हमारे को बोली तो अच्छी बात है गवर्नमेंट का चीज़ को नहीं मालूम था
चाकू मारा ना ये क्या किया साथ में किसने बोला किसने बोला था कौन असेंबली में in our Bhongir zone, in all 5 police stations, we have a total of 85 rowdy sheeters. Today we have called them, all of them, and we have gone through the sheets. Some sheets require update like the photos, then personal detail, marriages have happened, so their family detail, their wives and other associates, a few of them have passed away. So the sheets need to be updated. That has been told, instructions have been given to the staff. At the same time, the rowdy sheeters, they have been counseled that if they continue their good behavior, then further review will happen, and if required, people who are old, who are of old age, and who have the cases have resulted in acquittal, and for past 10 or 15 years they have not been involved in any criminal activity. So there is a possibility that if we find it feasible, then this sheets may be closed. At the same time, they have been warned to not engage in any kind of criminal activities. Sometimes what happens, these people, they engage in criminal activity, but the people who are the victims, they do not come forward, either due to the fear or some other stigma. They do not come to the police station. So the rowdy sheeters, they have been warned that all round review and watch over their activities is being kept, like their activities at the workplace, their surrounding, their neighborhood, then their social media activities also being watched, and if they are being found to be involved in any kind of criminal activities, then they will be severely dealt. Strict action will be taken against them, and the sheet will continue, and it will create a problem for them. Thank you.